Hey, so if your Typeform is loading really slow, yeah, like the dashboard is lagging, forms are taking forever to open, or everything feels stuck, that can be super frustrating. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. I mean, slow or unstable. Internet is one of the most common reasons Typeform loads slowly. Next, close unnecessary tabs and background apps. Yeah, too many things running can slow down your browser and make Typeform lag. Now, make sure you're using a modern browser like Chrome or Edge. Older browsers can make Typeform load slower. Yeah, this one helps a lot. Clear your browser cache and cookies because old stored data can slow everything down. If you're using extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools, they might slow down Typeform scripts. Try disabling them and check again. If you're embedding Typeform on your website, yeah, heavy pages with too many scripts or videos can slow it down. Now, if you're using a VPN or proxy, that can also slow down loading speed. Try turning it off and test again. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side. Yeah, Typeform servers might be slow or under maintenance, so check their status page. So yeah, that's how you fix Typeform slow loading issues. Usually it's browser, internet, or extension related. Try these steps and everything should feel much faster again. Thanks for watching. Hey,